I thought that the savings and the money was gonna be like the top driver, and it was not the top driver. It's kind of the way of testing what could work in which country. So I think it has a very high relevance in Europe in energy transition. And then I think it has a lot of potential because it can help users or consumers to relate with energy in different ways and more sustainable ways, which is also really important. And also because it can create synergies between countries. So I think it's sometimes we lack of learning from other countries. So now I think it's a great opportunity to learn from each other. I think the real thing we need to find on the research is like the real motivations under the skin of the consumer, like really trying to understand their context and the way they think and why they think how they think, which it takes a lot of time, mainly time and empathy. I think energy is hard for consumers to relate with because it's abstract. It's something abstract that we've had as a commodity for many, many years, so we just don't even think of light or energy in general. So I think that makes it really hard for consumers to even think of energy. But it's, I think in each country is different. People maybe have not many relationship with energy, but they have expectations about energy. In some countries like UK, we've found a very high community feeling, which maybe I wasn't expecting that much. And yes, we found a lot of differences, for example, about sharing energy and the way people would or wouldn't share energy. I was surprised to find that most of the people wouldn't sell the energy, but they would give it for free or to their community, which was, for example, something that was common to all the countries and actually surprised me because I thought that the savings and the money was gonna be like the top driver, and it was not the top driver. The real consumer point of view. I think that would be the answer. I think the main and the base of all the ReDream of the project has to be like to really get the view of the user-centric, because I've seen a lot of projects that are developed on user-centric models and stuff that they really don't get to know the user. They just are designed thinking how a user would think, and it's not the same.